In this video, I will show you how to record your Windows PC screen all for free, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how without installing any external recording software on your Windows PC. What you need to do is to press Windows Shift and S on your keyboard. And this is going to pump up right here from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Snap right here. Then go ahead and click on recording area. You can capture the whole window or you can capture some part of the window. So I'm going to click on rectangle right here, and having selected the rectangle, I can capture all the screen right here without the taskbar. And then you can see right here, this is an option. You can also voice over with the record. Go ahead and click on here and then make sure you unmute. Now, when you record, whatever you are saying is going to be voice over to your record right there. Then you have your record screen right here. So I can click on start right here. So now you can see it started to record right here at a count of 2, 3. So now the screen is being recorded right here. Now, for instance, if I bring out my Chrome browser right here, and everything is being recorded right here. Whatever I'm doing on the screen here is being recorded just like so. So I decide to open up my translate, and you can see an icon right here that mode system audio. I want to have audio as the case may be. Now, if I do anything right here, it's being recorded. When you are done with every record of the thing you want to record on your Windows PC, whether on your draft or on website as the case may be, just go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on stop recording. Once you click on stop recording, this window here is going to pump up right here. Then go ahead and make sure you click on this top right here. Click on save as. And the next thing you want to do, you can see MP4 file right here. You can choose where you want to save the video. I will simply save it in desktop and go ahead and hit on save.